Welcome to this technical comparison of axial versus radial flux motors, essential for informed engineering selection. Radial flux motors are the industry standard, known for their long, cylindrical shape. Engineers select them for high continuous speed applications, and this mature technology allows for cost-effective mass production. In a radial motor, the magnetic flux travels perpendicular to the rotation axis, requiring a longer internal structure. The rotor spins around a central axis. The challenger is the axial flux motor. Its compact, disc-shaped pancake design achieves massive power in space-constrained environments. These motors deliver over 96% operational efficiency and power high-performance electric vehicles. Axial flux motors use a parallel flow magnetic path. The stator and rotor face each other directly, and the magnetic flux flows parallel to the rotation axis, enabling the motor's short axial length. Axial flux motors represent a physical transformation in scale and mass. They can be 5 to 8 times smaller and 2 to 5 times lighter than equivalent radial models, drastically shrinking the physical footprint. Axial motors offer significantly accelerated torque density, generating 30 to 40% more torque within the exact same footprint. Engineers utilize this density for rapid EV acceleration. Regarding thermal management, radial motors trap heat deep inside their thick core. In contrast, axial motors provide superior heat dissipation because their windings are very close to the outside shell. A key drawback of axial motors is the introduction of significant magnetic axial forces, which continuously stress the internal bearings. This results in high production complexity and higher costs for manufacturers. This table summarizes the head-to-head confrontation. Key differences include the magnetic path, form factor, and torque density. Axial flux motors offer superior performance but come with a high premium in manufacturing complexity and cost. The key takeaway is to match the motor topology to the specific application. Choose axial flux for space-constrained, high-torque performance EVs and radial flux for cost-sensitive, high-volume, high-speed production.